Welcome back to Britology, where we explore the most extraordinary places, experiences, and creations that redefine modern luxury. Today, we are stepping inside a machine that completely changes the meaning of traveling in style. Forget the traditional motorhome. Forget ordinary luxury coaches. Imagine a private residence that can move wherever you want, taking your bedroom, living room, entertainment space, and five-star lifestyle with you. This is the Grand Voyager X, an ultimate luxury residence on wheels designed for people who believe that the journey should be just as spectacular as the destination. From the moment you see the Grand Voyager X, it feels less like a vehicle and more like a futuristic luxury estate. Its exterior combines elegant aerodynamic lines with a powerful road presence, creating an unmistakable silhouette. Every surface appears carefully designed, from the expansive panoramic windows to the sophisticated metallic bodywork and integrated lighting. The goal is not simply to make a motorhome look expensive. The goal is to create something that feels like a private mansion capable of traveling across countries. Step inside, and the difference becomes immediately obvious. The interior is designed around space, comfort, privacy, and technology. Instead of the cramped layouts associated with traditional recreational vehicles, the Grand Voyager X creates the feeling of a high-end apartment. Premium materials surround the cabin, with sophisticated wood finishes, polished metal details, soft leather surfaces, elegant stone textures, and carefully integrated ambient lighting, creating a warm and luxurious atmosphere. At the center of the residence is an impressive living area, designed for relaxation and entertaining. Large sofas provide generous seating, while panoramic windows allow natural light to flood the interior and transform the surrounding landscape into a constantly changing backdrop. Whether the vehicle is parked beside a European lake, overlooking the Scottish Highlands, or resting in the middle of a breathtaking countryside, the living room becomes a private observation lounge. Entertainment is another major part of the Grand Voyager X experience. A large, high-definition display can transform the living area into a private cinema, while an advanced surround sound system creates an immersive experience throughout the cabin. Imagine finishing dinner, lowering the lights, opening the curtains toward a spectacular nighttime landscape, and watching your favorite movie in complete privacy. There is no crowded theater, no hotel lobby, and no schedule. Your luxury entertainment space travels with you. The kitchen takes the idea of mobile living even further. Rather than offering the basic cooking facilities found in conventional motorhomes, the Grand Voyager X is imagined with a sophisticated residential-style kitchen, high-end appliances, elegant countertops, intelligent storage, and carefully organized workspaces allow travelers to prepare everything from a simple breakfast to a full gourmet dinner. And then there is the dining area. Designed for intimate meals or elegant gatherings, it connects naturally with the main living space. Large windows create a beautiful atmosphere during the day, while subtle lighting adds sophistication after sunset. Dinner inside the Grand Voyager X is not simply about food. It is about enjoying an unforgettable setting without leaving your home. But perhaps the most impressive part of this mobile residence is the private master bedroom. Designed like a luxury hotel suite, the bedroom provides a peaceful retreat separated from the main living areas. A premium bed, elegant lighting, refined materials, and large windows create an environment designed for complete relaxation. Imagine waking up in the morning and opening the curtains to discover a completely different view from the one you had the night before. One day, you could wake beside a peaceful mountain landscape. The next morning, you could be surrounded by forests or overlooking a dramatic coastline. The Grand Voyager X turns the entire world into your changing backyard. The bathroom continues the luxury experience with a sophisticated, residential-style design. Premium surfaces, modern fixtures, generous space, and carefully positioned lighting create the atmosphere of a private spa. Instead of feeling like a compromise between comfort and mobility, the bathroom is designed to feel like a genuine luxury suite. Technology is quietly integrated throughout the vehicle. Intelligent climate control can help maintain the perfect temperature, while automated lighting allows different moods to be created throughout the interior. Smart controls can manage entertainment, privacy features, lighting, and other systems from convenient interfaces. But technology is not there simply to impress. Its real purpose is to make the experience effortless. The best luxury is often the luxury you barely notice. Everything works in the background so that the passengers can concentrate on what matters: comfort, privacy, and the freedom to travel. The Grand Voyager X also represents a completely different philosophy of travel. Traditional luxury often means flying to an expensive destination and staying inside a five-star hotel. But a mobile residence offers something different. Instead of traveling toward luxury, you take luxury with you. That means your accommodation does not have to change every few days. There are no hotel check-ins, no packing and unpacking, and no need to sacrifice familiar comforts simply because you are moving to another location. Your personal environment remains with you. For long-distance journeys, this could completely transform the experience. A road trip across Britain could become a luxurious adventure through historic towns, dramatic coastlines, peaceful villages, and remote countryside. Instead of rushing from one destination to another, the Grand Voyager X allows the journey itself to become part of the experience. Outside, the vehicle can also become a private social space. When parked at a beautiful location, exterior areas can provide the perfect environment for enjoying fresh air, morning coffee, or an evening gathering. The transition between indoor and outdoor living creates the feeling of having a luxury estate that simply happens to be capable of moving. What makes a concept like the Grand Voyager X so fascinating is not just its size, materials, or technology. It is the philosophy behind it. It represents a world where luxury is no longer tied to a fixed location. Your home can be your hotel can be your vehicle, and your destination can change whenever you want. For wealthy travelers, entrepreneurs, families, and explorers who value privacy and freedom, that idea is incredibly powerful. Instead of choosing between comfort and adventure, the Grand Voyager X attempts to combine both. Of course, a vehicle of this scale and sophistication would represent a major investment. But at the highest level of luxury, the price is only one part of the equation. What truly matters is exclusivity, convenience, craftsmanship, and the ability to experience the world on your own terms. The Grand Voyager X is therefore more than a luxury motorhome. It is a vision of mobile architecture, where engineering meets hospitality and transportation becomes a private lifestyle platform. It demonstrates how far the concept of a motorhome can evolve when designers stop thinking about it as simply a vehicle and start imagining it as a complete residence. And perhaps that is the most exciting part. Because the future of luxury travel may not always be about finding the most expensive hotel or the most exclusive resort. Sometimes, the ultimate luxury could be having a residence that follows you wherever the road leads. So, whether you imagine cruising through the British countryside, exploring the mountains, stopping beside a quiet lake, or watching the sunset from a remote coastline, the Grand Voyager X represents an extraordinary idea. Complete luxury without a permanent address. This is the freedom to wake up somewhere new without giving up the comfort of home. This is the freedom to travel without leaving luxury behind. And this is what makes the Grand Voyager X a true ultimate luxury residence on wheels.